Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Redmi's fan favorite lineup is back, and this time it's the Redmi K90, ready to shake things up in 2025. So what kind of surprises does Redmi have for us this year? Let's not waste any time. Let's jump straight into the unboxing. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Right on the front, you'll notice the Redmi logo, and just below it the BOSE branding. A small detail, but a pretty significant one. The box itself isn't too thick, staying true to Redmi's budget-friendly yet practical packaging style. Inside, we've got the usual accessories, a 100-watt fast charger capable of 20-volt 5.8 max output with PPS support, and a 6-AT data cable that's about 99 centimeters long. The design feels familiar, quite similar to what we've seen with Xiaomi's 7-Teen standard version. Now let's move on to the device itself. The flat display comes with a factory-applied screen protector and a centered punch-hole camera. The edges are almost completely flat, merging neatly into the frame with excellent build precision. The silver metal frame houses speaker holes and symmetrical antenna lines. Even the bottom part keeps that perfectly balanced look, which honestly feels very satisfying. The SIM tray matches the color of the body, just be cautious while inserting it. Flipping it over, the frosted AG glass back, paired with high gloss accents, gives the phone a refined, premium touch. The quad circular camera design looks clean and balanced whether you're viewing it vertically or horizontally. Redmi has clearly refined the small details. The camera bump isn't exaggerated, and the crater-style integrated design helps reduce dust accumulation, especially on the white version. The mix of frosted and glossy glass gives it a stylish, polished finish. The triple camera setup with an LED fill light is cleverly arranged within the 4 circular cutouts, keeping the back panel clean and elegant. And yes, that tiny BOSE logo at the bottom adds a nice premium touch. The phone weighs 208 grams, which feels reasonable considering the metal glass construction and the larger battery inside. Moving to the display, the Redmi K90 uses the same panel as the Pro Max variant. It features the latest generation M10 luminous material, offering a peak brightness of 1180 nits, along with adaptive brightness control and PWM dimming for eye comfort. The resolution is 2510 to 1156 with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth and crisp viewing experience. Audio-wise, Redmi has teamed up with BOSE for sound tuning, and the dual symmetrical speakers make the audio output rich and immersive.
City lights are blazing loud at night. Neon dreams take flight under endless skies. Echoes hum like a soft jazz piano tune. Dancing shadows sway beneath the silver moon.
Under the hood, the K90 runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a tried and tested performance platform. Redmi's optimization seems solid. Here's how it performs. In honor of Kings, it maintained an average frame rate of 102.2 FPS at around 39 to 40 Gracie with 3.46 watt power consumption. In Genshin Impact, the frame rate averaged 60.1 FPS with front and back temperatures of 44.3 degrees and 45.5 degrees Celsius, drawing 4.5 fights. During high-load stress tests, it stayed around 59.7 FPS, temperatures near 47 degrees Celsius, and power usage at 6.53 watts. Even though it's using last year's chip, the Redmi K90's optimization keeps it competitive with the latest releases. As for battery and charging, Redmi went big, literally. The 7100 mAh battery supports 100 watts fast charging and even 22.5 watt reverse wired charging, so it can double as a mini power bank. In our test, it hit a peak charging power of 82.4 watts, taking 53 minutes for a full charge, and reached about 69% in just over an hour. After a standard 5-cycle battery simulation, it still had 66% power left, which is impressive for this capacity. And that wraps up our first impressions of the Redmi K90. It's a well-rounded, power-packed phone that looks great and performs even better. I'll be testing it in detail for the full review, so make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join our tech family for all the latest updates. See you guys in the next one.